Hi friends, welcome to SSC Geographical. In this video I am going to discuss about SSC JEE 2020 paper 1 asked questions in morning shift of 24th March. See here the list of questions. Thermocouple measures average or RMS value. The correct answer is RMS value is the correct answer. Thermocouple measures the RMS value, which is not measured by CRO. Which is not measured by CRO, cathode ray oscilloscope, okay, which is not measured by CRO. The answer is power. Power cannot be measured by CRO. And next one, which type of lighting scheme used in malls? If you know the answer, just answer in comments. Direct lighting or indirect lighting? Just lighting only, this is not lightning. Next one, if you know the answer, just answer in comments regarding this. And fourth question, the branches, 8 branches given, loops 3 given, nodes you have to calculate. You know the formula L equals to B minus N plus 1. So based on this formula, we can calculate the number of nodes. N equals to B plus 1 minus L. So just substitute here, you will get the 6 is the correct answer here, okay. L equals to B minus N plus 1, you have to use this and you will get the answer. Next one, fifth question. The resistance R1 equals 60 ohms given and R2 equal to 20 ohms given. Is 9 amps current is flowing through this circuit, and he is asking what is the current in the I2. So how much current is flowing through the resistance R2 is asking. So how do you calculate? I2 equals to opposite resistance by total resistance. This is R2. This is R2. This is R2 and this is R1. Okay. So how much current is flowing through the R2 is asking. So I2 equals to R2 into R2 by R1 plus R2 into I. Just current division formula, use this. That is opposite resistance by total resistance into current. Current is 9 amps. That is 9 amps into opposite resistance is how much? 20 ohms given. 20 by 60 plus 20. Just simplify this. You will get 2.25 amps is the correct answer here. Okay. Fifth question. Next, fuse rating high at pole, main board or sub-circuit board. Okay. Here is the options. Fuse rating high at what? Pole, main board or sub-circuit board. If you know the answer, just answer in comments. Okay. Fifth question. If you know the answer, just answer in comments. And sixth one, 2020 Man Booker Prize Award given to whom? 2020 Man Booker Award given to whom? That is Shiggy Bain. For Shiggy Bain, 2020 Man Booker Award given. Okay. For Shiggy Bain, 2020 Man Booker Award given. Name of the footballer who died in 2020. Name of the footballer who died in 2020. That is Douglas Stewart. Douglas Stewart is the footballer who died in 2020. Next, eighth question, that is swine flu is spread from. Swine flu is spread from bacteria, virus or fungi. The correct answer is virus. Swine flu is spread from virus. And which is not a tributary of Ganga river? You know that Brahmaputra is a tributary of Ganga river. So this is not the correct answer. So Alaknanda given, Gandak given. The correct answer is Gandak. Gandak is not a tributary of Ganga river. Gandak is the correct answer. Next, jute is known as golden fiber or silver fiber. The correct answer is golden fiber is the correct answer. Jute is known as golden fiber. So here the questions, second question, fifth question, 11th question and 13th and 15th question answers. If you know, just answer in comments. Okay. Next one, 11th question. Who invented World Wide Web? If you know the answer, just answer in comments. Who invented World Wide Web? 12th question. Capital of Nigeria. Capital of Nigeria is Abuja. Abuja is the capital of Nigeria. And which is not a part of Gondwana? Which is not a part of Gondwana? India, Australia, and what are the remaining two options? I am not aware of that. And which is not a part of Gondwana based on the given options? Just write in comments. Okay. What is the correct answer? Write in comments. North America is not a part of Gondwana generally, but what are the given options? I am not aware of here. Okay. Just you can tell in comments regarding 13th one. 2, 5, 11, 13, 15 questions. Answers not given. You can write in comments. And 14th one. Atomic mass of nitric acid is. Atomic mass of nitric acid is 63.01. Atomic mass of nitric acid is 63.01 gram per mole. Primary source of vitamin C. What is the primary source of vitamin C? What are the options given? I am not aware. And generally for primary source of vitamin C is, so orange, kiwi, lemon, these things will come under primary sources. That is citrus fruits will come under the primary source of vitamin C. That is orange and lemon, kiwi. So based on the given options, what is the correct answer? Just write in comments. Okay. Atomic mass of chlorine. Atomic mass of chlorine is 35.45. 35.45 units. And longest serving Congress president, who is the longest serving Congress president, is Sonia Gandhi is the longest serving Congress president. And what was the year of Quit India movement? Quit India movement year is 1942. What was the year of Quit India movement? That is 1942 is the Quit India movement year. How many games added in Khelo India game 2021? So how many games added in Khelo India game 2021? That is 4 games added. 4 games added in Khelo India game 2021. And pantothenic acid is the name of which vitamin? Pantothenic acid is the name of which vitamin? That is vitamin B5. Pantothenic acid is the name of which vitamin? That is vitamin B5. And which is the smallest bone in human body? Stapes. Stapes is the smallest bone in human body. And Article 14 of Indian Constitution is about, Article 14 of Indian Constitution is about equality before law. So that is equal justice to all. Okay, equality before law. Next one, article for budget in Indian Constitution. Article for budget in Indian Constitution, that is Article 112 regarding budget in Indian Constitution. Article 112 is regarding budget in Indian Constitution. And in Nobel Medicine 2020, number of laureates. So how many members received a Nobel Prize for Medicine? That is 3 members, 3 laureates. Okay. And which is in Ankara land? Europe, Australia, Africa, India. The correct answer is Europe. Europe is in Ankara land. Okay. So these are the some of the questions asked in morning shift of 24th March 2021. Okay. So these are the sum of questions. And thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos. And 5 questions I have given. And if you know the answer, just answer in comments. That is 2nd question, 5th question, 11th, 13th and 15th questions. Okay. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you.